Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Strava beacon. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Strava application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it installed, what you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store and search for Strava. From there you want to go and find the application. So once you found it, go ahead and install it and open it up. So let's go ahead and open up the Strava application. Once you have opened it up, you can go ahead and log in to your account that you want to use for tracking all your activities. And once you have done so, you are going to go and be greeted by this home page. This is the main page from where we can get started. So here we can get started with doing all our activities. We have our home page, we have our maps and so on, and now we can go ahead and access the beacon. So basically guys, what the beacon enables you is to go and share your signal with some other friends that you're going to designate. They will always be able to take a look at where you are. This is like a safety measure when you are going into some mountains or somewhere where not a lot of people are going to know where you are, so that you can always keep in touch in case you get lost. So basically, to activate the beacon, what you're going to do is go into the record tab right here. So at the bottom of the page in the middle, click the record tab, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this menu where we can get started recording ourselves and where we are. So now what we want to do is click this option right here in the bottom right corner, right next to the music icon. You're going to click this person right here, like a Wi-Fi signal, and this is now going to enable you to go ahead and add your safety contacts for your beacon. Using this, you can go ahead and get started with designating whoever you want to go ahead and be your safety contact. After that, just save it, and then you can get started with using it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.